Welcome to my channel. 192.168.100.1 Admin Login Guide. Fix router settings in minutes. 1. Connect your device to router. Connect your mobile or laptop to the router using Wi-Fi or a LAN cable. Without connection, the login page will not open. 2. Open web browser. Open any browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Make sure your device is connected to the router network. 3. Enter 192.168.100.1 IP address. Type 192.168.100.1 in the address bar and press Enter. Do not search it on Google, enter it directly in the URL bar. 4. Router login page will open. You will see the router admin login page on your screen. It will ask for a username and password. 5. Enter username and password. Use default login details like admin/admin or admin/password. If not working, check the label on the back of your router. 6. Access router dashboard. After login, you will enter the router dashboard. Here you can manage all settings easily. 7. Change Wi-Fi name, SSID. Go to wireless settings and change your Wi-Fi name. Choose a unique and easy-to-recognize name. 8. Update Wi-Fi password. Set a strong password to secure your network. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. 9. Fix internet issues. Restart the router if internet is slow or not working. Also check WAN settings and update firmware if needed. 10. Save and reboot router. Click on Save or Apply after making changes. Reboot the router to apply new settings. Thank you for watching.